Imagine trying to tell your story, to capture the raw energy of the world around you, only to be held back by gear that just can't keep up. You've seen the vlogs, you've watched the creators who seem to have it all figured out, their footage crisp, their focus locked, their audio flawless. You've thought, I could do that. But then you look at your phone or your aging camera, and the dream feels just out of reach. What if I told you that the game is about to change? What if I told you that the tool you need to shatter those limitations is finally here? This is not a story about a camera. It is a story about opportunity. It's about the Nikon Z30 II. For too long, content creators have had to make a choice: convenience or quality. You either settled for the ease of a smartphone, sacrificing cinematic depth and low-light performance, or you lugged around heavy, complex cinema cameras that made you look like a Hollywood production crew rather than a storyteller. The original Nikon Z30 bridged that gap, becoming a cult favorite for its portability and excellent image quality. But the world has moved on. The expectations of your audience have skyrocketed. They don't just want to see your story, they want to feel it. The rumors surrounding the Z30 Mark II are not just whispers. They are a blueprint for the future of vlogging. Imagine a camera that inherits the lightning-fast, AI-driven autofocus system from the flagship Z9. Imagine a sensor that isn't just slightly better, but fundamentally redesigned for maximum performance in low light. No more grainy, muddy footage when you're shooting at a concert or in a dimly lit coffee shop. We are talking about raw, unadulterated power designed to keep you in the spotlight, no matter how chaotic the environment. But power without control is useless. The Z30 II is rumored to be addressing the one major complaint of the original: stabilization. We are expecting the integration of advanced hybrid stabilization, combining best-in-class in-body stabilization with enhanced electronic modes. This means you can walk, run, or jump while filming, and your footage will remain buttery smooth. This isn't just a technical spec. It is freedom from gimbals, freedom from shaky, unprofessional shots that make your viewers look away. It's about capturing the action as it happens, not after you've set up a tripod. And let's talk about that moment. The one where you want to show your audience the beautiful chaos of your life, but the sun is setting, or you are indoors. The Z30 II is expected to feature a new, back-illuminated APS-C sensor that pushes the boundaries of ISO performance. This means you can keep shooting well into the night, maintaining clean, vibrant colors and sharp details long after other cameras have given up. Your vlogs will look cinematic, professional, and intimate, no matter the lighting condition. For the creators who love to play with speed, the rumors of internal 4K 60p recording are deafening. This isn't just about higher resolution. It's about slow-motion capability that makes every movement look epic. Imagine slowing down a bustling street scene, a spectacular jump, or a simple, emotional moment, and having it look flawlessly smooth. This is the cinematic flair that separates amateur creators from the pros, and it's about to be in your hand. But the Z30 II isn't just about what's inside the chassis. It's about how it feels in your hand. The ergonomics are getting a massive overhaul. It's being designed specifically for one-handed operation, with customizable buttons and dials that allow you to change settings without ever taking your eyes off the screen. The vari-angle monitor is getting brighter and more